Hello and welcome to this video on reading and writing the time. Today we're going to be looking at the digital clock. So the digital clock is what you might see on an electronic device at home or your phone. Now it's really tempting when you look at the digital display to literally just say the numbers that you see. But this is not really telling the time. So please do not write the times like this. This is not technically accurate. You can say 3:10, but it doesn't really demonstrate that you understand time. 3:10 is what it displays, but as I say, it doesn't really demonstrate your understanding of time. Saying 18:15, well, what does that mean? You're just telling me the digits here. 21:25, what does that mean? I need you to show me that you understand how many minutes there are an hour and so on. So please, this is not the way I'd like you to write your time today, please. Here are all the hours of the day. There are 24 hours in the day. Okay, if you think about starting at midnight all the way through to 11 and going back round again. Now, the digital display, you may have your electronic device at home only showing 12 hours of the day. So for example, in the evening, it may just show 0800 at 8 o'clock at night. But in actual fact, we should really have it as 20.00 because it's technically the 20th hour through the day. So you need to have an understanding of the 24-hour clock as well, because lots of bus, train and even flight times are still given in 24-hour clocks, so you need to be able to understand this. And also, the other digits that you see represent different parts of the time as well. And simply saying 25 or 40 or 50 doesn't demonstrate that you understand how many minutes there are left in an hour, and so on. So there are 60 minutes in an hour. So you can see here I'm going up in increments of 5, but of course there are 60 whole minutes. So let's have a look at some of the times you're going to be looking at today. So imagine if you had the digital display 0305, it's not enough to just say 3:05, because that way you're just telling me the digits that you can see on the display. Technically, this is 5 minutes past 3. Look here for guidance. 05 is 5 minutes past. This is in the morning. How do I know? Because this part is 03, and if we look here, it says 3 o'clock in the morning, and I really would like you to distinguish in your answers today in class notebook that it is in the morning. Next example. It's not enough just to say 09:15. What does that actually mean? Well, let's have a look. 15 means quarter past. 09 is 9 o'clock in the morning, so we say that this is 9:15 in the morning. What's going on here now? This is 20 minutes past, because we can see it here. 20 means 20 minutes past, and 13 is 1 o'clock in the afternoon. So this is 20 minutes past 1 in the afternoon. Here, it's not enough just to say 16:30. You really need to know that 30, you say half past. And 16 is 4 o'clock, so it's half past 4 in the afternoon. Here we've got ... 45 this time, so it's 1:45, but it's not 1:45 here. It's not 1:45, it's 1:45 the next hour, which is 11. So it's 11:45 at night. Even though it says 22 there, it's 1:45 the next hour after 10, so 11:45 at night. Here, ... 50 means 10 minutes to, and the hour is 11, but if it's 10 minutes to, it's 10 minutes to the next hour, so 10 minutes to 12 midday. And this one Dot dot 35 means 25 minutes to. And the hour is 18, but remember if it's 2, because this bit ended in 2, you're looking at the next hour. So it's 25 minutes to 7 in the evening. So it's interesting that, isn't it? Even though it's 35, it's 25 minutes to. Why is it 25 minutes to? Because there's 25 minutes left of that 60-minute hour. So we're 35 minutes through the hour, we've got 25 minutes left. Okay, you should now have enough to be going on with in terms of being able to do that exercise in Class Notebook. You can pause the video on this screen and use these to help you write out. I would like it written out in words, please, on the lines that I have put there in Class Notebook.